Okay guys, I gotta do some cleaning up because look at this mess. My trash is overflowing. Should have took that out last night. I got dishes all on the counter, all in the sink. I didn't wash any dishes yesterday because I was gone most day. I need to put paper towels on my roller there. And clean up over here. I've got dirty stuff all over my stove, needs to be cleaned up. And this crock pot, I made Mississippi pot roast yesterday, and then we went to bed last night, and I did take it out, well, the leftovers, and put them in the fridge, but I didn't clean the pot, so yeah, that's a mess I gotta clean up. Look at my pretty new shelf that I got. My husband's ex-wife gave me that. Ain't it pretty? So I stuck it over here in the corner and put a lot of my stuff that was on that other shelf. Not sure what I'm going to do with that other shelf yet. I may keep it. And where I'm going to put it, I don't know. This trailer's full, y'all. May try to squeeze it in my eBay room and use it. But anyway, I took it out of here because I wanted to keep this in here. I moved those shelves over here. I haven't decorated them yet. I just stuck a few picture frames up there. Put my flower there. I got stuff over here that I'm probably going to donate and get rid of, except maybe the mirror. I'm thinking about keeping that mirror. And that brown box has got like old VCR movies and stuff with my son in it, so I'm probably going to leave that sitting in the floor. Changing it up in here. I'm just tired of looking at it, you know, the way it is. It's been the same way for a while. You know, I've got new Pioneer Woman stuff going up in here. I'm not going to show all my displays on top up there yet until I get everything forward, because I still need another piece or two. But yeah, I'm kind of going with the Pioneer Woman theme, as you can see over here. And just changing things up. Look at this beautiful towel. This is not Pioneer Woman, but I think I got this at Dollar General. But isn't that pretty? It's got reds, blues, pink, green, all the colors that I got going on in here with my Pioneer Woman stuff. So I thought it was cute. I went ahead and got it. Just hung it over there just for a little pop of color. It all started with that right there. I got that K-cup holder at a yard sale, and then I'm like, huh. And I've already had a few Pioneer Woman pieces, so I started changing things up like I do. But it is time to get to cleaning up this mess and this mess. Set my crock pot in there. I'm going to let it soak for a little while before I try to wash it. Okay guys, I just got back from the Dollar General, picked up a few things I needed and a couple things that I just wanted. I thought I would share it with you. And I got 2 things in from Amazon today. I just got that off the porch and I thought I'd share it with you right quick. I am hot and sweaty because I just got home from running around. I had to go pay my lot rent and took my husband some lunch and met a friend here to pick up a bed out of my building because I went and got a free bed for a little boy that needed one. And I've been kind of running around being busy today. So anyway, let me show you what I got at Dollar General and the stuff I got from Amazon right quick. Alright, we'll just start over here. I got 2 of these True Living Premium paper towels because my paper towels are running low. I go through paper towels like crazy. I use paper towels more than I use hand towels. So I'm down on my last pack of paper towels, so I went ahead and got some of them. I didn't get any toilet paper because I really didn't need any. I got plenty of toilet paper, so I just picked up those paper towels. I picked up this thing of Suavitel in the blue that I love. I tried the yellow Suavitel and it just don't smell as good. It just wasn't as nice as the blue, so I think I'm going to stick with the blue. I picked up some of this extra in the purple bottle. That's what I normally always, most time, wash my clothes with. Sometimes I'll pick up like Arm & Hammer or something like that, but most time it's extra. And sometimes, I can even get this for like $3. It's normally $5 if it's on sale at Dollar General. And it's in the Tropical Passion scent. And between that and that blue Suavitel, my clothes smell amazing. I picked up this cute little picture here because y'all know I've told y'all I've been redecorating in here, so I'm picking up pieces, you know, when I can, because I am on a budget. So, you know, I just pick up pieces like every paycheck, whatever, and try to, you know, get things as I can. So I picked up a few things today, and I thought this would be cute in here because I love the little picture. And they had some cuter plants, but this is the one that was in the picture, so I just went ahead and got it. It was $10. I wish it had been a little bit cheaper, but it's alright. But it's like a faux eucalyptus plant, so I picked that up. And I picked up this cute little cream of the crop cup. I thought this would be cute, like on my tray, my decorative tray I have on my bar. I might take a few things off of that and move it around in here and use it somewhere else. So I thought maybe I could put that on the tray just to kind of replace anything if I move it all. So I picked that up. It was $3. Then I got these little things because I love making like my own faux cupcakes and stuff, which you'll see when I show my new decorations. I have made a couple faux cupcakes for my decorations. But I seen these and I thought these would be so cute to make faux ice cream and then stick the little spoon in them. And they're only $1 a piece, so I got all 3 of them. They only had 3 left. To maybe make some faux ice creams. And if they turn out good, I might sell them. Because I just enjoy making them. But they're really cute. So I picked up those 3, yellow, blue, and pink. And I'm going to try making faux ice cream out of those. I did actually go and do a pickup from Lowe's, and I got me some more spackle and foam so I can make some more of them because I just enjoy doing it. It's something I like crafting. I picked up some more bread because we needed some more bread. Just Nature's Own like I normally get. I got 2 things of these Huggies. I still got wipes in there, but I went ahead and got some more just to add to my stockpile. Also these bags, I got some of these, but went ahead and got some more of these, the little zipper sandwich bags by DG. And I got some more of the double zipper freezer bags by DG. Always needing bags. So anyway, now I'm going to show you what I actually got from Amazon. Seen these little balls on there, and I thought they were the normal size ones, but when I got them today, I found out they're little. But I love the colors because I have decided that I am going to go with Pioneer Woman colors for my Christmas tree this year. I thought that would be neat since I got all new blues and reds and creams in here for the Pioneer Woman. A little bit of yellow, florals, you know, things like that. So I thought, why not make like a blue? This is like supposed to be a teal, teal and red and pinks, and just make a pretty like Pioneer Woman themed Christmas tree this year. So I picked up these balls. I forgot what I give for them. It wasn't much, but I picked these up just because they're teal on Amazon. And I ordered me some of these Pioneer Woman Gorgeous Garden kitchen towels. Gorgeous Garden is what I like. I like vintage floral, but I think I like Gorgeous Garden more because I actually got a crock pot in Gorgeous Garden, and it's just so pretty. So I've been kind of trying to go with more like Gorgeous Garden colors. Show you the things here, different ones. I got that one. It's one, and here's a floral. That's two. It must be the back side of it. And that's three. And so I like this color too, this light green, because I actually have some of this too up on my china cabinet. So I got teals and the light green in here. And then there's another floral one. So pretty. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's a 4-pack of towels, kitchen towels. I'm probably going to use some, but I may decorate with some too. Some of these prettier ones I may decorate with, like this one. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how good they are. But anyway, I picked those up. And like I say, I can't remember. Maybe I'll put it on the screen, the prices I paid for it, because I do have it in my Amazon account. I just can't remember right now what I paid for these two things. But anyway, that is everything that I got while I was out doing my running around.